In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove password from your iPhone 7 or 7 Plus. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. Just a little precaution before starting the tutorial, you will lose all your data if you haven't backed up your device. If your phone is backed up, then you're good to go. You can restore your device anytime from the backup. So we will be putting our device in recovery mode and then we will restore it to the latest firmware through iTunes. So first of all, press the power button and volume down button at the same time and keep pressing it till your device turns off. Now at this point, press the volume down button and connect your device to computer and keep holding the volume down button till you see iTunes logo on your screen. Now iTunes will pop up letting you know your device is in recovery mode. You should restore it. Just click on update and iTunes will download the latest firmware for your device and update your device to the newest firmware, and this will remove passcode from your phone.